Hi guys, Miss Abate here. All right, we are going to do our part 2 of our plural nouns lesson, okay? So I hope you have your pencil and paper to write with, and I hope that you also have maybe the paper that you were writing on for last lessons. That way you can go back and review it, okay? So before we move on to our part 2 lesson, let's go ahead and review the rules, okay? So for plural nouns, if you're making a noun plural, you either add es or s to the end of it, right? So how do you know which one to add when? So for es, I know it's backwards, so I apologize. If you're adding es to the end of a noun, it's either going to end with the sound sh, sh, s, x, or z, okay? If it ends in ch, sh, z, you add yes to the end of that word. If it ends in almost any other letter in the alphabet, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, T, U, V, W, or Y, because then you're just going to add S at the end, okay? So one more time. To add es to make it a plural noun, it needs to end in ch, sh, s, x, z. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our day. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull up this worksheet that we are going to work on together today. All right, so, and let's remind ourselves that a noun names a person, place, or thing. So a singular noun is one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. A plural noun names more than one person, more than one place, more than one thing, or more than one idea. So you guys on this one are going to see if you have to add s or es to the end of the word, okay? All right, so let's do the first one together. I think I can write on this one. We have the word dish, dish, okay? Does it end in sh, ch, x, z, or s? Yes, it does. So we, oh, nope, it's not gonna let me write on there. So we spell it, let me just see, give me 1 second if I can write here. No, there's a way. That's okay. All right, so that's my fault. All right, so it is dish, so it's going to be spelled D-I-S-H, and where are we adding to the end of it? E-S. Good job. Let me erase that because it's kind of getting on my nerves right there. All right, number 2, fox. Okay, how do we spell more than one fox, with an S or an ES? You tell me. ES. So we spell fox, F-O-X-E-S. Good. Now I want you guys to do peach on your own. You write down peach, and if it's more than one, how do you spell it? Go ahead. All right, what do you add to the end of peach to make it plural? E-S. Very good. Go ahead. You do wish. You write it down. You add the plural ending. Go ahead. What do you add to the end of wish to make it plural? Yes. Very good. Do you see a pattern here so far? Number 5. We already did this one, so I hope you remember from lesson 1. Church. If you want more than one, what do you add to the end of it? Go ahead. Do it now. What do you add to the end of church to make it plural? E-S. Very good. We're going to do one last one. Box. What word are we going to add to the end of box to make it plural? S or ES? Pause the video. Do it now. What do you add to the end of it? ES. Why did we add ES to dish, fox, peach, wish, church, and box? Because they added, or excuse me, they either ended in SH, CH, or X. So that meant we add ES to the end of them. Good job. I hope you caught on to that. All right. We're going to do some more practice. So let me go ahead and pull up the whiteboard. Don't put your pencil and paper away yet, okay? We're not done with it. All right. Okay. So I am going to write some words down and you're going to add the ending to it. All right. We're only going to do this for a little bit, okay? All right. So I'm going to write the word down and you are going to finish the spelling of it, making it plural, okay? So we have the word fire. If you have more, oops, I don't know why I did that, sorry. It's like the screen moved on me. If you have more than one fire, how do you spell the plural of fire? Now I'm going to just keep moving on. And if you need more time on your own, then I want you to pause the video after each one, okay? Okay. So now we have sofa. If you have more than one sofa, how do you make it plural? Bus. Bus. If there's more than one bus, how do you make it plural? Write it down. Grass. Grass. If there's more than one of grass, how do you make it plural? How do you write it down? Mask. Mask. We will do table. Table. Glass. Glass. And let's do shelf. Okay, so if you didn't get these written down, then I want you to go ahead and pause the video, write these words down, and add the plural endings. Go ahead. All right, let's go over the endings. I want you guys to say it out loud. Fire. When I point to you, you say the plural. Fire. Fires. Sofa. Sofas. Bus. Bus is. Good. Grass. Grass is. Good. Mask. Masks. I know it sounds funny. Masks. Table. Tables. Glass. Glasses. And shelf, well, you know what? This one's actually my fault because the spelling of it is different. I wasn't thinking about it whenever I said it out loud. So I know that it would be shelves. We wouldn't say shelf is, right? We wouldn't add that ES, but the ending, the whole word itself changes. So that's Miss Bates' fault. Didn't think about it till I said it out loud. Sometimes I do that. Sometimes I make mistakes like that, and it's okay. That was a freebie for you, okay? All right, guys. So I think that's going to do it for a lesson on plural nouns, adding S and ES to the end. Don't forget those rules, and I'll see you next time.